Welcome back. Well, when it comes to healthcare, access isn't just important, it is essential. For more than 50 years, Cornell Scott Hill Health Center has been turning that belief into action, providing care to tens of thousands of Connecticut residents. Here to share more about their mission are CEO Michael Taylor and Dr. Michael Couturier, Chief Medical Officer of Medical and Dental Services. Thank you both so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having us.
Well, Michael, you do such great work in the community. We've had you on before, but tell our viewers maybe who are tuning in for the first time what it is that you do and what you provide.
There are people in Greater New Haven who don't know about the Cornell Scott Hill Health Center. That's astounding because we now serve 60,000 area residents and actually from points across the state, providing primary medical services, a whole host of medical specialty services, dental services, and we are also as well a very significant provider of behavioral health services.
Wonderful. And doctor, why is access like this so important, especially to have here in a city like New Haven?
Well, access to primary care is the backbone for any functioning healthcare system. And for our pediatric patients, our pregnant patients, our adult patients, and those struggling with mental health and addiction issues, being able to access a primary care provider and the specialty services at the Cornell Scott Hill Health Center are critical.
And Michael, what's great is that you don't want to turn anyone away. You have a lot of resources for people who might not have them available to you.
We don't turn anyone away for any reason, either financial status or insurance status. We meet people where they are. We serve anyone who crosses our threshold, and we're very proud of that.
Yeah, it is wonderful, and it's great to have here in the Elm City. And doctor, what does the process look like for people coming to you, maybe for the first time? Maybe they haven't been to the doctor in a long time. It can be an overwhelming experience for some people. What does it look like from walking in the door to getting an appointment?
Well, I mean, when they walk in the door, they're usually met by a very gracious and accommodating front desk staff that gets them registered, gets them connected with insurance if they don't have insurance, or with our sliding fee scale, so that they have access to all of our services. And then they meet a clinical team that will put them in a room and have a normal patient-provider visit.
Great. It's a seamless process. You make it simple for people, Michael, which
we
is
try to.
Wonderful. Yeah, you do a great job at that. And you have something called a patient access fund that you wanted to talk about?
Well, new patient access fund.
Yes.
As many people know, there will be thousands, literally thousands of people who will lose their health insurance coverage with implementation at the end of the year, beginning of next year, of the Big Beautiful Bill. And we're very concerned about people's not having insurance coverage. I want them to be able to maintain their care even though they don't have insurance coverage anymore. And so we have established a patient access fund to subsidize the cost of care so that we can continue to provide ongoing continuity of care for people regardless of their insurance status.
Yeah, it's a very big deal to have that. And before we go to break quickly, how do people learn more about that, about you?
Well, to donate to the fund, you go to our website, cornellscott.org, 2 L's, 2 T's, and you press the donate button, and you can donate to the fund that will allow us to care for more uninsured people. If you are a patient, not necessary to do that. We will take care of you in the normal manner and hopeful to use proceeds from the fund to help us cover the cost of providing care, which is no longer paid for.
Yeah, it is wonderful that you offer that, and it's a great opportunity for people out there to be able to donate and help as well, Doctor. Michael, thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you guys would like to learn more, cornellscott.org. There's the website. You can also head to WTNH.com. We will link everything for you there. Now,